Today we're going to be doing a whipped back stitch. I'm going to start at the back of my felt fabric. I'm going to do one stitch forwards, and today I'm going to be using two different thread colours. So I'm beginning with my yellow. So I've gone forwards a stitch length, and now I'm going to go back through the end of that previous stitch, forwards a stitch length, back through the same hole. So this embroidery stitch builds on the base of the back stitch, as you can see, and you can use a second coloured thread. It creates a raised rope-like effect along the line in a second when we do the second thread, and a texture and depth to your work, as well as decorating. It strengthens your stitch. So I'm going to tie a knot on the back. I'm going to begin by putting my pink thread just above this last stitch here. Now I'm going to go underneath the next stitch along, underneath the next stitch along, finishing off. I'm just going to take my needle underneath the last stitch and take my needle down, and there we have it.